Understanding Snowstorm Watch, a guide to weather alerts. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an important phrase that often pops up during the winter season: snowstorm watch. Understanding this term is crucial, especially if you live in areas prone to heavy snowfall. Let's unpack what this means and why it's important for your safety and planning. A snowstorm watch is issued by weather authorities to alert the public of the possibility of a snowstorm occurring within the next 36 to 48 hours. It means that conditions are favorable for a snowstorm to develop, but its occurrence, timing, and intensity are still uncertain. The key here is possibility and preparation. Unlike a snowstorm warning, which indicates that a snowstorm is imminent or already happening, a watch is about being prepared for the potential of severe weather. Understanding a snowstorm watch is crucial for a few reasons. First, it gives you advance notice to prepare for potentially severe weather. This can include stocking up on essentials, planning for possible travel delays, and ensuring you have a way to stay warm if power outages occur. Secondly, it's about safety. By being aware of the potential for a snowstorm, you can avoid unnecessary travel and stay safe indoors. Lastly, it helps in planning. Whether it's rescheduling plans or preparing for snow removal, knowing a snowstorm might be on the horizon allows you to plan accordingly. When a snowstorm watch is issued, there are several steps you should take to prepare. 1. Stay informed. Keep an eye on the latest weather updates. Conditions can change rapidly, and a watch can be upgraded to a warning. 2. Prepare your home. Ensure you have enough food, water, and essential supplies. Check your heating system and insulate your home to keep the warmth in. 3. Plan for emergencies. Have an emergency kit ready, including flashlights, batteries, a first aid kit, and a portable charger for your phone. 4. Travel safely. If you must travel, ensure your vehicle is winter-ready with adequate tires, and keep an emergency kit in your car as well. Understanding the term, snowstorm watch, is not just about learning English. It's about staying safe and prepared in the face of potential severe weather. By knowing what this phrase means and how to respond, you can protect yourself, your family, and your community. Stay warm, stay safe, and remember to keep an eye on the weather forecast. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding this important weather alert. Take care, and see you in the next video.